Alright guys, I'm in downtown Marikina, Philippines. And I just can't get over how the community is so community. The community is so bonded. So, there was an advertising over the radio today. My friend was telling me, hey, you want to go for a walk tonight? What? Yeah, okay, sure, we'll go for a walk. No, the community's getting together and going for a walk. So they opened up this stadium thing here in town, the sports center, the Marikina Sports Center. And I don't know, it's like 7, 8, 9, 10 p.m. This goes on till 12, 1, 2, 3 in the morning, where people just get together. The community gets together, play some badminton. What else you got? The chin-up bar over here. And everyone's just together. No one's angry. No one's pissed off. Even the driving was atrocious, but everyone's just calm. Everybody is just relaxed. Everyone's enjoying life. And it's just how the community bonds together and bands together and unites. And it's just no conflict. Nobody's upset. Nobody is, I don't know. Things are very different here in the Philippines. I got a lot of people asking me if the country's dangerous, right? And I'm like, no way, man. If anything, this country is not dangerous. If anything, when I'm walking around, people would go out of their way to avoid me. Like if somebody sees me and makes eye contact from far from me, they see me, they cross the street. Or they try really hard to avoid me. Like they don't even want to get involved. And I just wanted to tell you guys that, some people asking me, is this country dangerous? It's not. You could walk. You could go. I went to the poor slum area, semi-mid area, upper class, Beverly Hills type areas, polished, beautiful malls, low-grade malls, vendor streets, all kinds of stuff. I never felt threatened here. Never felt scared. And I just wanted to let you guys know that. Everyone's just in a good mood here. There's no, you don't feel that negative tension, right? You don't feel, I don't know, maybe I need to get my head checked. Maybe I don't know what it is, but it's just different here. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Have you been to the Philippines? And if so, did you find it dangerous? The country's not dangerous at all, in my opinion. I could pass out here on the ground. And I'll probably have 12 people come up and check on me. And then I'll have 5 people call an ambulance if I need one. In Canada, I don't know why, but if I pass out on the ground, people will be stepping over my body. That's just how it is. Is the country dangerous? No. Come and see it for yourself. Come and meet the locals. Beautiful people here in the Philippines. Mike Martin's here in Marikina City. I have spoken.